Hello and welcome to the Smart Training Institute Opportunity Presentation, presented by Leader Joe from France. First of all, we'd like to make it clear that we're not an investment advisor, but rather we're just giving you information that could be a game changer for your personal finances. The STI company was founded by Jérôme Lakoudi, 42 years old. He lives in Dubai. He is an ex-marketer, having been top 2 worldwide in several companies in the past, more than 9 years of relationship marketing to his credit. He eventually underwent several Ponzi, and on April 18, 2023, he decided to set up his own network marketing in full transparency. How the smart trading opportunity works. You need to know that the business of STI opportunity is to make available to everyone a robot that will give you information on the Forex trading market. You need to know that when you buy a training license in Smart Training Institute, 70% of your capital will go on the Forex market and will be loaned to good mission by institutional traders. 20% of your training pack will be set aside to remunerate the network, and 10% will be kept aside as a backup fund in case of a glitch on the market or to finance events in the world. Here you can see an example of a training robot. Here you can see Pack 1, which gives you the basics of Forex trading. There are more than 250 minutes of training in the field of Forex trading, from the $50 training pack to the $20,000 final pack. Here you have images of the offices of one of Smart Training Institute's partners. It should be noted that the company works with 2 types of training partners. Here are their photos of their office in Brussels. They have designed the training software, which gives everyone from $50 to $20,000 access to high-level training on the Forex market. In addition, there are the institutional traders who handle the famous 70% of your funds, based in Dubai. You know, the market in which we operate is the Forex market, which is worth over $5.3 trillion, a very dynamic, very profitable, and very regular market. What is the opportunity? STI give you in your customer accounts Forex training and at the same time earnings per week between a period of 10 months to 1 year, depending on the renewals of your packs. Here you have examples of training packages from $50 to $20,000 for rates from 120% to 160%. You can buy as many training packages of the same type in your accounts to earn compound interest as you wish. And beyond that, for those who want to earn more with this opportunity, the STI opportunity gives you the chance, through 4 types of bonus, to earn up to 500% depending on the package you have in your account. The first remuneration is direct referencing. You will be paid on 10% of the value of the pack that your directly partner buys. A person who puts $1,500, you will get 10% of the value of $1,500, $150 on your customer account. Next, the company has set up a differential team bonus system that allows you to receive additional earnings the same day at 10 p.m. French time, depending on the sales you have in your typical script. So for a partner who has made $1 million in sales in his team overall, he will be able to receive 10.5% on all the work done daily by his teams. Here's a breakdown of the differential bonus. Let's take an example of a partner who has referred someone who is at a level where he can receive a 6% bonus compared to the volume created by his team on a daily basis. It's important to know that if this person puts in a partner, for example, who puts in $1,000, this person will receive 6% the same day. And with the differential bonus, the system has been put in place to ensure fairness. As I've said from the outset, 20% of the funds customers put into their training package is dedicated to listing the network. With this system, the company cannot pay more than 12% on a daily basis to the leader who creates teams, the one who brings in a certain number of sales, or who bring a certain number of people and sales into their team, with no limit on daily earnings and no limit on the depth of your teams. You should know that there's a renewal bonus. As I told you earlier, if you're doing relationship marketing and bringing people back to the company, you're capped at 500% of your pack's value. So when you get close to 500% of your pack's value, you can buy another additional pack that will increase the duration of your 500%. Beyond that, the company also gives you access to a rank bonus based on the sales figure you've created, which you'll receive in cash on your customer account. So let's take the example of the bronze partner. The bronze partner must have sales of $10,000, and to validate this you need to read what's at the bottom of this page. You must make a maximum of 50% of the volume required in your strong leg, so 50% of $10,000 is $5,000. One of which will be strong at some point because there will be a referral who will be more motivated. Anyway, so on your strong leg field you must have 50% of the cap. 50% of $10,000 of $5,000, that's $5,000. If you have $5,000 on your strong field and on the other legs your others referrals added together $5,000, then you validate the bronze rank, which will give you a cash bonus of these camps, which will be paid into your client account and so on up to the top level, which is the black diamond. Transparency is the cornerstone of the Smart Training Institute opportunity. Transparency can be seen in how the company shows on its Telegram account every week all the deposits, withdrawals, and operations carried out on the Forex training market with our funds works with institutional bank traders. The one you work for the VT Market Bank. The company shows its account book through the company's MIFSPOOK link, which shows you all the deposits, withdrawals, and operations carried out depending on the weekly or monthly rate. The company's MIFSPOOK link, which shows you all deposits, withdrawals, and operations carried out according to the weekly or monthly rate. It should be noted that since the company's inception, it has achieved a monthly rate of over 18%, more than enough to pay the training package we buy. And it's this water that needs to be checked every time on the MIFSPOOK, which will enable us to judge the company's credibility. The accounting data is undeniable. Also, the company has guarantees and signed contracts with institutional traders that protect 80% of the common capital on the trading market via our training packs, and also the company has signed a contract that does not allow the trader to make losses greater than 20%. And many other things that have been signed with these traders that protect our funds and ensure the continuity of the company. Here you have the certificate of creation of the company. He was created in Aguila, a British island, where it pays 0 taxes. Thank you for the time you have given us here. Wish you all the success you deserve. If you are my partner, click on it. You will have my link to access this beautiful jewel, which is Smart Training Institute.